Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is mainframe. Mainframe refers to a large powerful computer used to organization for critical applications such as first is transactional process managing high volume transaction like banking and financial transaction. Second is data processing large data set like sinuous data scientific research. Third is in enterprise resource planning ERP running ERP software for managing business operation. Five is cloud computing providing cloud services like infrastructure as a service IaaS and platform as a service PaaS. Mainframe characteristic first is high processing power. Mainframe can handle massive workload and high transaction volume. Second is reliability and availability. Mainframe are designed for continuous operation with built-in redundancy and fail-over capability. Third is security. Third is security. Mainframe have robust security in future like encryption and access control. Six is uh, for scalability. Mainframe can scale to meet growing demands, adding processing power and storage as needed. For five is capability. Mainframe support legacy system and application, ensuring continuously. Mainframe benefits first is high performance, second is reliability and uptime, third is security and compliance, four is scalability and flexibility, cost effective. Mainframe challenges first is complexity, second is skill requirements, specialized skills needed, third is cost high upfront and maintenance costs. Five is legacy system modernization. Five is integration with newer technologies. Here are some more aspects of mainframe. First is mainframe architecture, centralized architecture with a single processing unit, memory and storage. Second is mainframe operation systems such as Z and OS, Z and VMs and Z and VSE, which manage mainframe resources and provide services. Third is mainframe programming languages like COBOL, PL and I and assembler used for deploying developing mainframe application. For is mainframe database such as DB2 and IMS designed for large scale data management. Five is mainframe storage, high capability storage solution like tape libraries and disk storage. Six is mainframe network, connecting mainframe to other system and network via protocols like TCP and IP and SNA. Seven is mainframe virtualization, using virtualization technologies to run multiply virtual machine on a single mainframe. It is mainframe cloud deploying mainframe resources and application is in a cloud environment. Nine is a mainframe modernization, updating mainframe application and infrastructure to modern standard. 10 is a mainframe skill and training, addressing the needs for specialized skills and training for mainframe professionals. 11 is mainframe security and compliance, ensuring mainframe security and compliance with regulation like GDPR and HIPAA. 12 is mainframe analytics and AI, leveraging mainframe data for analytics, machine learning and AI application. 13 for 13 is mainframe DevOps, applying DevOps practices to mainframe development, development, sorry, and operations. 14 is mainframe containerization, using containerization technologies like Docker or mainframe. let me know if you have specific question or need further assistance.